Hey there, food fans. My name is Alex Ross, and welcome to A La Carte with Alex. Now, as we're getting into the summer months, it's getting hotter and hotter out there. So today we're going to be talking about a beverage that's perfect for summertime, in my opinion, perfect for wintertime, and gosh darn it if it's not just good all year round. Today, we're talking about margaritas. Let's get cooking. Okay, so there's a lot of margaritas out there. There's strawberry margaritas, there's pomegranate margaritas, there's mango chili lime margaritas out there. And today we're going to be talking about one of my favorites, and we're going to be talking about the one that made margaritas famous, the classic margarita, the one that started it all. So what we're going to need to get started is some salt. That's your big thing. So if you don't have margarita salt, kosher salt will work, sea salt will work as well. But you're going to want to get yourself a plate or a little dish and about half an ounce of tequila. Go ahead and add it to your dish. Put it in right there. That's where you're going to use to get this salt stuck on your rim. Now, it works a lot better than just water will. It's a little bit stickier, and once it evaporates, it's just going to adhere to that salt way, way better. So go ahead, grab your glass. We have two types of glasses. You have your margarita glass, you have a cocktail glass, or you can even just use one of my favorites, just a lowball or highball glass. So go ahead and just get that rim coated with your tequila. Let's go ahead and swirl it around. Make sure to drip off any extra and let it sit for about 10 seconds. That's what's going to help that alcohol evaporate, and it's going to make it a lot stickier. So just go ahead and wait. All right, that's it. Okay, then go ahead and just rim the salt around your glass, making sure you get it. If you like a little bit saltier, add more salt. If you don't like it as salty, don't. You can do the same trick with sugar as well for a mango margarita or a strawberry margarita. Go ahead and set that off to the side and repeat with your other glass. Get off any extra. There you go. That's how you're going to get that perfect salt rim every single time. Okay, put that salt off to the side. We're going to save that for later. Okay, so we're going to be doing the traditional classic margarita, the one that started it all, the one that made it really famous. So we're going to go ahead and take our glass. We're going to take about 2 ounces of Silver Tequila. Add that in. Now you can do Silver Tequila. You can do Gold Tequila. There's definitely a difference in there, and I don't really want to waste your time going into what the differences are in between them. But I personally like Silver. It's a little bit smoother, and I'm all about the tasty. So, you have your 2 ounces of tequila. Take about an ounce of Cointreau. This is my little tiny bottle of Cointreau. Go ahead and add that, about 1 ounce in there. And then take 1 ounce of lime juice. Now I already squeezed my lime juice. Add that in. And then add some ice. Now you can shake it if you'd like. You can pour it straight into the bowl, or straight into the cup, not the bowl. And that's it. That's how simple this margarita is. And that's what makes it delicious, is how simple and elegant it is. Now, if you want, you can go ahead and add your lime garnish, and you're good to go. If you like it colder, put it in a shaker, give it a few shakes, and then pour it in. Or you can just add it straight to the glass. Either way is fine. All of it's delicious. Okay, so now we're gonna be talking about a little bit more complicated. It's one of my favorite margaritas out there. So you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna start off with your glass that is salted. Put that to the side. You're not gonna use it just yet, hang on. You're going to take either your shaker or a large container, because you're gonna be muddling some oranges, some limes, along with your alcohol as well. So go ahead and take your oranges and your limes and go ahead and add those to the container. And you're gonna quarter them. So take one large orange, quarter it, and add it to your container. And then you're gonna take 2 limes. That's 2 whole limes, quarter them as well, and you're gonna add them to the same bowl. Now if you don't have enough room like this, do it in separate parts. I did too much, so I'm gonna pour a little bit of that out. And you're gonna muddle. You're gonna muddle those down. If you don't have a muddler that's designated just for alcohol, I took my rolling pin and I wrapped it in some plastic. And go ahead and get in there, and you're gonna wanna mush those down and just muddle those for a little bit. Now what that's gonna do is it's gonna release the juice from the oranges and the limes, and it's gonna release the oils that's in those rinds as well. So go ahead and muddle those down. Once you have those muddled a little bit, go ahead and add the rest of your limes and your orange. And just go ahead and continue. Okay, so make sure that you are muddling this mixture for about 2 minutes. That's how you're gonna fully release all the oils and the juice that's coming out of these limes and these oranges. So don't give up. I know it's a lot to do, but trust me, it's gonna be worth it in the end. Plus you're gonna get a good workout in the arm there. That's how you keep strong with these cooking tasks. Okay, so now that you're done muddling, you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna add 2 tablespoons of agave nectar right in. One thing I love about agave nectar is that it's not gonna overpower the margarita. It's gonna add a nice sweetness to kind of combat that sweet-sour combo that you got going on. So go ahead and give that another muddle, making sure you get all the oranges, limes, and their remnants all mashed together. Okay, so now that you have finished your muddling, you add it to your shaker here, making sure to clean off any mess that you may have left behind. And that's when you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna add 2 ounces of Silver Tequila or Blanco, depending on your choice. Make sure you get that little bit that was in your tray. And you're gonna add some ice. Go ahead and add that straight in to your shaker. And give that a good shake for at least 30 seconds, if not more, till the outside of this is nice and cold. You're gonna chill down that tequila, you're gonna chill down that orange juice, the lime juice, and the agave. Okay, so now that that is shaken, go ahead and take the top off and pour directly into your salt-rimmed glass or your vessel. Pour directly in. Might take a little coursing, but go ahead, make sure you get it all out. All right, so you guys know that I am a big fan of juicing your own oranges. You can see in one of those videos here, you can see how to make your own fresh orange juice and just some of the delicious goodness that comes from that. If you don't feel comfortable doing the muddling, you can juice your oranges separately in a little juicer. You can also buy store brand orange juice. I personally prefer the fresh. There's just something about fresh orange juice that is just so appealing. But go ahead and go with what you like. All right, so that's it, you're done. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button down below. Give us a comment. Make sure to subscribe so you're never missing out on a video. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching and enjoy. That's good. That is real good.